If Steam is showing a JavaScript error, don't worry. In many cases, this means Steam's WebHelper has crashed because of a GPU driver conflict, corrupted user data, or another background app interfering with Steam. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest step-by-step fixes so you can get Steam working again without guessing. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's get started. First, we're going to run a DNS flush command. This is a simple but effective fix that can clear network-related issues that sometimes contribute to Steam errors. On your keyboard, press the Windows key, type command prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as administrator. In the black window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, close the window. Next, we'll clear Steam-related app data. Corrupted temporary files can trigger JavaScript errors and stop Steam from loading properly. To do this, first close Steam completely. Make sure it is not running in the background, then press Windows key +R to open the Run box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. A File Explorer window will open. Look through the folders for anything related to the problematic game or launcher, such as Paradox or another app that is causing the issue. Delete only the relevant folder if you are sure it belongs to Steam or the affected game. After that, go back to the Run box, type %localappdata% and press Enter. Again, look for folders tied to the problematic game, launcher, or temporary Steam-related data. If you find corrupted cache or user files connected to the issue, remove them. This step can help reset broken local data that Steam or the game is trying to load. Now let's move on to game file verification. If the JavaScript error appears when launching a specific game, such as Cities, Skylines, then the game files may be missing or damaged. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, and choose Properties. Then click Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and replace anything broken or missing. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your drive speed, alright. Once it finishes, try launching the game again to see if the error is gone. If you still have the issue, the next fix is to run Steam as an administrator. Exit Steam fully first, including any tray icons or background processes, then find your steam.exe shortcut, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with elevated permissions can bypass permission-related problems that sometimes block the web helper or interfere with file access. If Steam opens normally this way, you may want to keep using admin mode for troubleshooting or investigate why standard permissions are causing the conflict. The next thing to check is conflicting applications, and Discord is one of the most common ones. Discord overlays, browser hooks, and background processes can sometimes interfere with Steam and trigger JavaScript errors. Open Task Manager and fully close Discord. Make sure it is not just minimized. End the process completely, then relaunch Steam and test again. If Steam works after Discord is closed, you may need to disable the Discord overlay, update Discord, or reinstall it if the conflict keeps happening. You can also check for other overlay apps, screen recorders, or third-party tools that interact with games and browsers, because those can also create similar issues. If the problem started after a recent update, it's also a good idea to update your GPU drivers. Steam WebHelper relies on browser components and graphics rendering, so outdated or buggy drivers can cause crashes. After updating, restart your PC and test Steam again. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the JavaScript error completely. To recap, flush the DNS cache, clear corrupted app data, verify your game files, run Steam as administrator, and check for conflicting apps like Discord. These steps solve a lot of Steam JavaScript issues because they target the most common causes directly. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy fixes, and feel free to comment which step solved it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.